The Little Umbrella and the Big Heart. The monsoon season brought heavy, gray clouds over the city, turning afternoons almost as dark as evening. 10-year-old Kabir loved this weather. Walking home from school with his bright yellow umbrella, he enjoyed listening to raindrops splashing against the pavement. As he turned the corner near his neighborhood park, Kabir noticed something shivering under a concrete bench. It was a tiny, wet puppy, its fur soaked from the sudden downpour. The creature looked up with scared brown eyes, letting out a soft, whimpering whine. Kabir stopped immediately. He looked at his school bag. His textbooks were inside, and they would get ruined if he stayed out in the rain too long. Then he looked back at the shivering puppy, which curled tighter to escape the cold wind. Without a second thought, Kabir knelt down on the wet grass and gently placed his umbrella over the puppy. "Hey there, little guy," Kabir whispered, taking off his school jacket and wrapping it carefully around the puppy's shaking body to keep it warm. The puppy stopped whimpering. It gave a weak, hesitant tail wag and nuzzled against Kabir's hand. Kabir knew he couldn't leave the puppy alone, but he couldn't take it home without permission either. Looking around, he spotted a warm bakery across the street, run by a kind old baker named Uncle Thomas, who always loved animals. Carefully lifting the puppy into his arms, Kabir held the umbrella low over them both and hurried across the road. When Uncle Thomas saw Kabir standing at the door with a dripping wet uniform and a shivering puppy, a warm smile spread across his face. "Looks like you found a very special passenger today," Uncle Thomas said, grabbing clean, dry towels. Together, they dried the puppy, gave it warm milk, and set up a cozy bed near the oven. Kabir stayed until the puppy fell soundly asleep. Uncle Thomas patted Kabir on the shoulder. "Don't worry, Kabir. I will take good care of him and find him a loving home." The next morning, a bright sun shone across the city. As Kabir walked to school, his heart felt lighter and warmer than the sunshine itself. He learned that day that you don't need something grand to change the world. Sometimes, a tiny act of kindness is all it takes.